Hey, this is Scott with the 1970 Chevy El Camino Resto Mod. Today I've been working on installing a one-piece products, one-piece window. You can see I have the vent window removed. I have a lot of construction going on with the door right now. But one of the things I wanted to do is to use the Nu-Relics crank switches. So I have a crank switch here on the outside of the inner door skin. And this is connected, actually this is the spot for the vent window, and this is actually going to operate the door locks. And then I have the power window switch, Nu-Relics, and this one is going to operate the window. So right now I was just doing a hookup wiring and a test run, and I just have it set to power. The door already had power door locks connected through the Digital Guard Dogs iKey Premier alarm system and remote start. And so let's do a quick test of the operation here. Up is to unlock and down is to lock. So you just hit the lever, unlock, lock. Here you can see it, unlock, lock. And it actually operates the other side, unlock, lock. Again, that's connected through direct power. I'm hoping once I get the alarm module back and set up, I will be able to use the, remote button to lock and unlock the doors as well. Haven't figured out all the wiring, but I'll probably connect this to ignition. And I'm kind of happy that it operates both sides. That's cool. But we'll see as I progress and do a little more testing. Also need to figure out how I'm gonna do the window switches, because I might come up with some solution to where I can operate this switch for left door and right door independently from just using the left door. We'll see how that comes out. It would require an extra switch and so forth. But I have a car show coming up, so I need to get everything done this weekend. And yeah, we'll see. Time will tell. Cheers.